Hello everyone, it's Kelly Nickel with Venice Real Estate Group, and this is the See It Now property tour for 2531 East 8th Street in beautiful Bloomington, Indiana. So come on in and take a look at this property. It has a great location. We are just so close to all of the conveniences on the east side of Bloomington. You can see out the window right there. Some of the IU apartments and some of the residence halls are just right over that way. So if you need to be near IU Bloomington campus, this would definitely be a good location for you. We're also just down the road from the new IU Health Bloomington Hospital and the College Mall. So you see here, you're greeted with the large living space and the kitchen. They're kind of have that open concept feel. You've got lots of counter space. You do have refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, and microwave, and those appliances do stay with the property. So this would be a good space for entertaining. You could have all of your goodies out and your guests mingling. So nice open space for living room furniture. Lots of ways you could configure that space. Then on through here, you'll see the dining space. So it does kind of have a separate dining room, but it's still open to the living and kitchen spaces. So really nice area for entertaining or hosting game nights or family get-togethers. Now, we do have glass doors out to the back deck. There's also an outbuilding and a fenced-in patio area out back. So really nice out there for these summer months coming up. In here, we have the master bedroom. We do have sliding glass doors out to the deck in here as well, so that's nice. You kind of have a little private exit there. It's kind of a different shape for a room, so that kind of gives it a little extra character. And we've got a really large closet. It's a long walk-in closet, so you've got all the shelving and stuff to put all of your clothes and accessories, shoes, things like that. And this is the ensuite bathroom. I'll let you take a look. This is located in the Green Acres subdivision. So it's a really nice neighborhood, lots of other homes and nice trees and lots here. So we'll take a look at the other bedrooms. This is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath. So we just looked at the primary bedroom, and the other bedrooms are down this hall. I'll let you go ahead. And so that's kind of nice having the split floor plan. Up on the left, you'll see the first of the bedrooms here on this hallway. They're all similar sized. They all have really nice closets. They have the cedar inside. So all of them have the cedar, and this closet goes the full length of this room. So really nice sized closets. Hardwood floors throughout. You can see the other full bath right here, which is nice down here by the other 3 bedrooms. They both have the tub shower combo. And then down at the end of the hall, you have the other 2 bedrooms. Again, this one has 2 nice big windows, and again, the nice big closet with the cedar inside. So it's also got some shelving. So take a look at that. Yes. All right, we have one more bedroom to see. It's nice having all of this on one level. There is a full basement below and a 1-car garage attached. So the laundry is downstairs, a very large laundry space. You have plenty of room for a folding station and put your washer and dryer in there. There's also some semi-finished space down there. Right now it's being used for storage, so we're not going to go down there, but lots of room. You could set up like a rec room or game area, or you could put a pool table, something like that down there. Then there's other unfinished storage spaces down there as well. So, and that's where the access to the attached garage is. So we hope that you have enjoyed this tour of this home on East 8th Street in Bloomington, Indiana. If you would like an in-person tour, give us a call.